So we finally got Dauntless home. Did a new aluminum custom drive shaft. Believe it's a 5-inch. And then some 430 ratio Nitro Gears. Tried Yukons, but the Yukons were screaming even at low speed. Obviously not good. So we put nitros in, problem gone. A true track differential. And a custom diff cover. See if I can get down and we'll see it. Yeah. All right. You can see the cover. Let me see if I can get a good view of the drive shaft from the other side, maybe. Got that pea gravel on that side. There we go. That should be a pretty good view.